Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing tutorial that many of you have been eagerly waiting for. Have you ever wondered how to get a secure SNI host? Every country has a different SNI host, and we're here to solve that issue for you. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create and connect an SSH TLS server using an SNI host with the HTTP Injector app. Stay tuned till the end. But before we start, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's dive right in. First, grab your device and open the Play Store. In the search bar, type HTTP Injector and hit enter. When you see the app, click the install button to download it. Once installed, click open to launch the app and reach its homepage. To set up the required SSH TLS tunnel server, follow these steps. Open your web browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar. Hit enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the results and click on it. On the home page, locate the menu button, usually in the top corner, and click on it. From the menu options, select SSH Server. You'll be redirected to an account creation page. Enter your username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Within 10 seconds, your server details will be generated. Click the Copy Server Info button to save these details to your clipboard. Paste this information into a Notes app for future reference. Now, open the HTTP Injector app you just installed. On the homepage, click the arrow icon below the Start button to open the configuration page. In the TLS Type section, make sure SSH Secure Shell is selected. In the Connect Form option, choose TLS SSL Stunnel and check the appropriate box. Then click Save. Next, click the Settings icon at the top to expand the list and select SSH Settings. A new window will open. Paste the host, port, username, and password you saved earlier into the respective fields. Once done, go back to the home page. To add the SNI host, click the pencil icon on the home page. A small window will pop up. Here you can either write invalid host or paste the invalid SNI host you have. Alternatively, copy an SNI host from the link provided in this video's description. After adding the SNI host, click Save. Finally, after setting everything up, click the Start button on the homepage. The app will connect using the secure SSH TLS, Stunnel server, and SNI host. And that's it! You've successfully connected to an SSH TLS Stunnel server using an SNI bug host in the HTTP Injector app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.